Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your XIAOMI 17T Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's not normal that you do not see your battery. First, we're going to restart the device to reset the battery sensor, and we're going to press the power button, volume up button, and now swipe down until we see our screen black and the icon green. Now we let go and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and make sure that our battery percentage is enabled in the settings. So let's go over into settings, and here we need to scroll down to notifications and status bar. Click on battery indicator, and here if you have the first option selected, it is normal that you won't have the percentage. That's why we either want to use in the icon or outside the icon, and it's totally up to you how you use it. So after that, if it's not working, I would recommend downloading the battery widget. So we're gonna go to search in the Play Store, type in battery widget and then Reborn, and we're gonna download it from Tomasz Kubalik. This is this app right here. Soon the icon will load, but this app is the best app for battery widgets. Now as you guys can see, it is lagging a little, so I'll see you guys once it downloads. Now it's finally done. We're gonna click on open, and as you guys can see, we're gonna click on start automatically. Now click on consent here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a widget. So all I do is just pinch my screen and now tap on widgets. Here we have new widgets, and we're gonna scroll down until we see all of the apps. So as you guys can see, we need to just go down, and if you cannot find it because everything's just loading, you can of course search it right here. I'm gonna add this widget to the home screen, and as you guys can see, it is right here. So we can make it bigger, of course. We can hold it, adjust the size, and as you guys can see, we got 95%. It matches what's in our battery. If you see 0 here, then it's a probably not working battery sensor, and you should go over into Authorized Device Support Center and tell them about the issue. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.